Hello, are you new to video editing, specifically using PowerDirector? Well, this video should hopefully help you. I'm going to be showing you how to trim a video using PowerDirector. My name's Anne-Marie Pearman. So I'm going to go to a video that I put on YouTube the other day because I am doing short clips of the video. So the main video is there. And I've started doing little segments based on the chapters that I've already put in there. So if I go to edit, so I can see where I am. And so I've done beginner's look and outside in. Now the next one is before and after. So I'll just make a note of where that starts, which is 30 minutes, 47 seconds in. And then finishes at 45:26. And then if I go to the video, PowerDirector, so what you do is you go to import media files. And this is a Zoom that I recorded on originally, and it's the MP4 file. So click on that, and you just double click for it to appear in that screen. Hello. That's it. So you click on that. Then you go to edit video. Then you go to trim. And here you can put the in position and the out position. So that's in position meaning where you want the video to start from, and out position where you want it to end. Okay, so in this case it's 30:47, and then out position 45, so 0, 0 there, 45:26, 0, 0. That's okay. And then if you see now, you'll see you've got a shorter version of the video, which it should end. Yeah, so it ends about 14.5 minutes. And this title of this is before and after. So I'm just going to have a quick look, see where I want it to start and where I want it to end. So just start playing it. I'm going to pause it there and cut it. So to cut it, you go split timeline. Then you can, I'll just carry on actually, and then I'll delete it afterwards.
It's still very...
Right. Cut and leave. So you've got your options here. You cut and leave gap, cut and fill gap. I always do cut and fill gap. Don't know why you'd want to cut and leave gap. And so cut. I think, am I cutting this off? I need to replay it again because I can't remember.
And the implications of that have been amazing in my relationship. So 30 years, yes. And so I said, beginner's luck.
Right, so I'm going to delete from here because the previous chapter was called Beginner's Luck. So I'm going to delete it. Go to cut and fill gap. Cut this. Cut. And then go back. And right at the beginning where she said I'll go and cut and fill back gap. So now you just hit produce to produce the video. And from here, you can share directly onto YouTube, which I'm going to do. Go to online, YouTube. And now I'm going to call it Before and After Liliana Bellini, part of the talk from Liliana about relationships before, for the 3 principles, and after. And I've selected public there. Video categories you have to put in, so it's education in this case, and then start. I'm logged into it. Authorization. All right, so sorry, I sign in from here. Losing my mind. So I paste my authorization code. Next. Now it's producing it. And you just wait for it to produce it. Then you have this warning to say you are required to comply with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. And check out your video on YouTube. And that's how you trim a video using PowerDirector and put it directly onto YouTube as well. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon. Bye.